Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're reading day 2 of the book series, The Month of Christmas, written by Ferries. Now please see the link in the description below for previous chapters in this series. Now this remarkable story is about Santa Claus, the elves, the fairies, and all the wonderful people that live in the North Pole. Now let's see what happens. Let's get started. Day 2, Crafts Day. On day 2, all the elves and animals make Christmas crafts. The crafts they make are decorations for the tree and house. They also bring out their snow globes and write Christmas month cards. The bears make strings of cranberries, and they collected the berries in the fall. They will use the gallons of cranberries to decorate their fireplace, and then they will eat them, of course. But you shouldn't. And the feet knitters are busy finishing their Christmas sweaters, and some people say the sweaters are ugly. I think they are beautiful. What do you think? We've had them for centuries, but they did not become popular with people until the 1980s. And the elves also love to make origami. They fold paper to make trees, stores, reindeer, stockings, and even Santa. Origami is a centuries-old tradition, first recorded in the 10th century in China. And the elves also make bead garlands, pine garlands, and wreaths. Now, bead garlands were first made in Germany over 100 years ago, and pine wreaths and garlands have been used by Egyptian, Chinese, and Hebrew people for centuries. Now, Christmas stockings made of felt and decorated with glitter are a favorite craft. Christmas stockings were first made in the 4th century, and they were placed by the fireplace to catch a bag of gold that Saint Nicholas would drop down the chimney of poor people. Merry Christmas! You can make this with finger paint or an ink pad and pen. Now today, the elves also write and send their Christmas month cards. Did you know the first Christmas cards were made in England in 1843? Now, many people send e-cards. The elves make their cards. The cards must be in the mail by tomorrow morning, or they will not arrive before Christmas Day. Any cards not delivered before Christmas Day disappear. And also, they must be opened by then, or they expire and decompose. Now, the big event of the day is the unveiling of the giant snow globe. Everyone comes to see it, even the man in the moon. Now, a group of elves walks in secret all year to make a new scene inside the giant globe. Old Man Winter is there to make the snow in the globe, and the north wind blows and the snow swirls. It looks like a blizzard, and the band plays, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and everyone cheers. Now, did you know that in 1900, Erwin Percy made the first snow globe in Austria? Now, since then, snow globes have been made, and they are part of Christmas everyone loves. Now, the snow globe at the North Pole has been around for about 8,000 years. Everyone at the North Pole loves Crafts Day, and I hope you can make some Christmas crafts too. Wow, what a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful story. Thank you so much for joining us again, boys and girls, for this wonderful story time. We thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.